Archaeology and biblical prophecies. Archaeology provides evidence supporting the accuracy of biblical prophecies by uncovering artifacts and inscriptions that align with historical events foretold in the Bible. Some key examples include: the Bible predicted Babylon's fall, stating it would become uninhabited, Isaiah 13 verses 19 to 22, Jeremiah 51 verse 26. Archaeological surveys confirm the ruins of Babylon have remained largely uninhabited despite restoration attempts, aligning with these prophecies. Ezekiel 26 predicted Tyre's destruction, specifying that its ruins would be scraped bare and its stones cast into the sea. This was fulfilled when Alexander the Great used the city's rubble to build a causeway to the island city. Archaeological findings confirm this event. Jesus predicted the destruction of the Second Temple, Matthew 24 verses 1 to 2. Archaeological evidence, including Roman siege ramps and remains, confirms the fulfillment of this prophecy in AD 70 during the Roman conquest under Titus. These findings demonstrate the Bible's historical and prophetic reliability, suggesting divine foreknowledge behind its writings. You are invited to come to a free Bible lecture this Tuesday evening, in person or on Zoom.